Just got a magnetic keyboard? Here are the best software settings for VALORANT. Let's take the ALLA 60 Max as an example. Step 1 is to calibrate the switches. Go to Performance Setting, choose Keyboard Adjusting, and hit Start Calibration. Now, press every single key all the way to the bottom. You can even wiggle them a bit from side to side as you press. If they all turn green, your switches are good to go, and you can just save the calibration. Step 2 is the core feature of magnetic switches, adjusting the actuation sensitivity. This is the absolute key to perfect counter-strafing in VALORANT. Select Normal Travel Setting and highlight your W, A, S, and D keys. Here, you can set their individual actuation distance from 0.1 mm to 0.5 mm. Basically, the actuation distance means how far down you have to press initially for the key to register. If you have a light touch, set this value lower. Next up is the Rapid Trigger, RT, feature. You absolutely need to turn this on. You can set the value anywhere from 0.01 mm to 0.4 mm. Here's the difference. While the Actuation Point is for your very first press, Rapid Trigger handles your continuous presses. For example, if you set RT to 0.01 mm. After your initial press of the D key, you only need to press down 0.01 mm to trigger it again, and simply lift up by 0.01 mm to instantly reset it. This incredibly precise dynamic reset is exactly why your counter-strafing becomes so much faster. However, lower isn't necessarily always better. It really depends on your finger control, so take your time to find the sensitivity that perfectly matches your playstyle. The dead zone setting is basically there to prevent accidental presses, and you can tweak it between 0.05 mm and 0.2 mm. Now, check out the counter-strafing after tuning this. The spray is super stable, and you can see the shooting error graph is just showing all yellow bars. Alright, for step 3, let's talk about how to set up SOCD. SOCD basically helps us quickstop a lot faster. First, open up Advanced Key, select the key, and choose SOCD. Set Key 1 to AND Key 2 TOD. Then for the priority mode, we are going to choose last input priority, so Key 2 takes priority. Normally, without SOCD, if you hold A and then press D, your character just stands still. You get this really noticeable pause. But with SOCD turned on, if you hold A and then press D, you keep moving. Your character will move in the direction of the last key you pressed. SOCD makes your quickstops way faster. Even if you're spamming A and D really fast in a gunfight, your recoil stays super stable, and your shooting error graph will just show pure yellow